Unlock global earning potential by setting up your Payoneer account today. First things first, head over to the Payoneer website. You'll find a prominent Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that to begin your journey into seamless international payments. Next, you'll need to fill out the initial registration form. Choose your country. Then accurately enter your first and last name, email address, and date of birth. Make sure all this information is exactly as it appears on your official identification documents. Continue by providing your contact details, including your street address, city, postal code, and phone number. You'll also be asked to create a secure password and select a security question. Keep these details safe and memorable. Now comes the verification stage. Payoneer needs to confirm your identity for security. You'll likely need to upload a clear scan or photo of a government-issued ID, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for the best results. Once your identity is verified, it's time to link your bank account. This is crucial for receiving your hard-earned money. You can link a domestic bank account for easy withdrawals or an international bank account. If you prefer, enter your bank name, account number, and routing or SWIFT code. After submitting your bank details, Payoneer will do a final review. Once approved, congratulations! Your Payoneer account is set up and ready to receive payments from clients and marketplaces worldwide. You can now enjoy fast, secure, and cost-effective international payments, making freelancers and businesses truly global.